Hi everyone. In this video, I will walk you through the dashboard feature offered through PowWow Energy's Pump Monitor product. Let's get started. The dashboard shows the total energy, water, and greenhouse gas emissions for all of the pumps added to our system. The dashboard can be opened by clicking the dashboard button in the upper left corner of your screen. On the top of the dashboard page, there are 4 drop-down menus that you will use to select the information you would like displayed. The first drop-down is called Project. The Project drop-down allows you to set specific projects for smaller areas you might want to track. The default setting is Entire Property, which includes all the pumps you've purchased. You can create your own unique projects, which I will go over at the end of the video. The Ranch drop-down allows you to look at any specific ranch that is included in the project you have selected. Because we have GSA Demo project already selected, we can choose from either Main Ranch or Firecrest Ranch, and the metrics will update for that individual ranch. The dashboard allows you to compare the usage of energy and water between 2 years. On the upper right side of your screen, you can choose which years you would like to see compared. In this example, we're comparing 2017 to 2016, but any year that we have data for can be selected. The 3 boxes below show the total energy, water, and greenhouse gas emissions from the project, ranch, and 2 years that you've just selected using the drop-down menus above. The large number at the top of the box shows the total usage for the current year, in this case, 2017. The 2 bars below show the comparison between the current year and the baseline year. In this example, the energy use decreased by 22% between 2016 and 2017. The bottom shows the last day that this information was updated on the PowWow system. In some cases, you may see a yellow exclamation point instead of a percentage change between the current and baseline year. This just means that we're missing some data. Some common reasons you may be missing data include not having a pump test uploaded to a pump, or that we are waiting on some energy data from your utility. If you mouse over the exclamation point, you can still see the percentage change even with the missing data. There are individual graphs available for each of the resources here, which I'll review now. The first graph is for net energy used. The bars on the graph show the total energy used for all the pumps in a project in orange, and the total solar energy generated in green. For example, in April, 263 megawatt hours were used and 176 megawatt hours were generated. Using this feature, you can see for each month how your energy generation compares to your energy usage. The 2 lines show the cumulative net energy usage for each year you've selected. The blue line is for the current year, and the black line is for the baseline year. In this example, you can see that most of the energy savings came later in the year, and during the growing season, the energy usage was nearly the same for both years. For the water graph, we display total cumulative annual water usage for the baseline years. The coloration for all graphs is the same. The blue line is the current year cumulative total, and the black line is the baseline year cumulative total. We present the same information for greenhouse gas consumption. You can download any of this information into an Excel file by clicking the Download Dashboard button. This will show the same information in the dashboard, but in an Excel file that you can share or manipulate how you would like. There's a tab for Overall Usage and one for Energy, which shows the difference between generated and consumed energy. Let's say you want to track the energy and water savings from the installation of a new soil moisture monitoring system. To do this, we would go to the Project drop-down and create a new project. You would type in a name up top. Let's use Soil Project for now. Then select the ranches you want to track. In this example, let's say the monitors were installed at Firecrest Ranch. Once we have this selected, we click Save. Now, you'll be able to check in on this ranch and see the difference caused by the installation of soil moisture sensors by selecting the Soil project. In this case, we see a reduction of 26% in water usage. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the other videos on the usage of PowWow Energy products. Don't hesitate to reach out to PowWow Energy by email or phone if you have any other questions or comments. Thank you.